Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nazhif bin Yusri, and next is my group mate Muhammad HAIKAL bin HISHAMUDin. Next is Muhammad MUSTAQIM bin MANSOR, and last is ALMI AQIM bin Muhammad NAZMI. For this project, we as a group decided to choose recorder as a product. Is introduction. um, we know Siemens machine tool system is widely considered as a machine tools industry leader, machining which the greatest dynamic performance and precision is ensured by a powerful hardware, design and clever control algorithm, which are complemented by superior drive and motor technology. And next, the numeric 840D CNC is complemented by a wide range of IT integration solution that flawlessly connects production and the IT environment. Okay, next we go through our objective for this product or for this assignment. And number one is able to develop a basic CNC code for turning process by using basic G code learn in the past session and adding circular interpolation G02 the turning program create. Number two is to learn how to use CNC simulation, and number three is recognize basic cutting tools involved in turning process before preparing the program.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad HAIKAL. I will present about the methodology part that consists how the part is produced, step involved, drawing and 3D view. First of all, I will present about how we produce the part. Turning process is chosen as the machining process to produce the part. Before we produce the part, Sinutrin numeric 840D is used to create the program, and the simulation is run to ensure the program code is functioning well. Other than that, a raw material which is aluminum bar with the 200 mm times 25 mm is cut to produce the part. Next, we will go to the step involved to produce the product. Here is our step involved chart. First, we need to start. Open numeric software, find program manager and create the folder. Insert block form from various and choose the cylindrical type of shop to be set. Then insert the dimension of the workpiece using the keyboard available and type in the header of the program. Next, insert the codes and program and transfer the coding to CNC machine and edit the material. Next, we have to run the machine and produce the product. Next, I will show the drawing of our product from the SolidWorks software. Here is our drawing of the product. Next, we will go to the 3D view or isometric view of our product from SolidWorks software. Here is our 3D view or isometric view of this product.
Assalamualaikum. For today, I, MUSTAQIM MANSOR, will talk about the discussion of this project. Throughout this project, the outcome from our workpiece are slightly different from the actual drawing that have been produced by our team. This is because of the dimension from certain part of our drawing can be cut perfectly by the cutting tool, due to the length of exact part is so small. Other than that, our teams need to face a few problems for these projects, such as we start to do the milling and the drilling process to make a recorder instrument. This is because of the size of our product is too small and the risk of the product to break apart is too high. Furthermore, our product is too long and this affects the product to vibrate during the CNC operation. We overcome the problem by using the stock tail at the end of our product. Finally, we go through the project successfully even though need to face a few problems.
In conclusion, our project is done very well in the time allotted. We also accomplished the project's goal, which is to running a CNC machine and design a part utilizing a Sinotrend software. We were able to utilizing G codes and M codes to our demonstrate ISO programming for the turning process. Indirectly, our programming skills in operating machine 3-axis CNC machine gain weight. Finally, as a teamwork, we successfully complete to manage this project despite many times having problem, but be grateful that problem was solved. We believe our experience give more advantages in our future. Thank you so much.